I mean, even French fries, for example, have gluten. They dip it in gluten and they fry it so the French fries stick together. So be really conscious of foods that are prepared outside your kitchen in a factory because they are likely to have gluten. The best way to know if food that you're going to eat is gluten-free is to eat foods without labels. So if it's an apple or an almond or an avocado, you know it doesn't have gluten. If it's packaged or processed in any way, there's a high likelihood that it has gluten hidden in it, even if it's not the main ingredient, because they use it to stick it together. I mean, even French fries, for example, have gluten. They dip it in gluten and they fry it so the French fries stick together. So be really conscious of foods that are prepared outside your kitchen in a factory because they are likely to have gluten. If you're going to be looking for gluten on the label, the best thing is to look for any word that has wheat in it. But there are hidden names like natural flavorings and other secret things that you might not know, like barley malt. That might not be something that you might trigger as gluten, but barley malt is a sweetener that's often found in a lot of natural products that sound healthy but actually may be full of gluten.